We're back. It's 12:22 in the morning, or but you know, Sunday night, wife's in bed. I'm here to get some shit done. First, as you guys can see, I got literal shit everywhere. So I gotta clean up. Organize all the nuts and bolts that put everything together, and when I'm done doing that, I'll pick up the camera and we'll start bolting shit on this engine. Well, everyone, I've done a shit job of picking up this camera. It's been a few hours. I got shit. It's like the secondary air pump thing. Exhaust manifold, power steering, the heater core lines. I need to get new, so, like, this is the broken one. It goes here. But, so, like, this goes here like this. When it comes time, I'm gonna look for them, see if I can find them, because I know I can. But, for first startup, I'm just gonna throw a worm clamp on that and see if it'll hold at least for startup, unless I find those quick. Got all the bell housing bolts in. I've come over here. I'm getting real confused on a lot of shit over here, but I knew that was gonna happen. So we got a fuel lines with the rail, and then we have this whole harness that's got to go over there. A bunch of these plugs that I got to figure out where they go. I have the intake manifold over there. I'm missing one of my starter bolts. No idea where the hell these two go, so I gotta figure that out. They don't go to the starter. That's the one thing that I was worried about, is figuring out where all that shit goes, all the wiring and everything. It's like, I know where everything bolts in. Like, I'm almost done bolting everything in. I'm waiting to do the AC and the alternator. Kelsey ordered me a water pump, so the new water pump will come in. Yeah, I'm all over the place, guys. And I gotta figure out where that plugs into. I think that plugs into the airbox. I don't know. We got radiator water neck here. So yeah, it's all over the place. I'm getting there. Forgot where this goes. I think this goes over here somewhere. Somewhere down in there. I'm sure of it. Or did it go on the back of the engine? I don't know. But it's 2:30. I think I'm gonna call it quits here in a little bit. I'm gonna dig more parts out of the back of the truck, get them all sorted out. If I get anything else done, I'll pick up the camera. Alright, so we got the main harness plugged back in to the ECU. Guessing this is for the transmission or the BCM. I'm not quite sure where these two and this purple one go. I still have to figure out my O2 sensors, where those plug in. Let's see. This is most of the... Actually, I think that's going to be one O2 sensor. Let's plug that in quick, see what happens. Or not see what happens. That's 102 sensor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are going to be for the coil packs. Still not sure where you go yet. We got our transmission dipstick kind of bolted in and ready. It's not quite. I'm missing a nut right here to hold the dipstick in place. Other than that, you know, I got the DVT solenoid cam position plugged in. Still have to figure out where this goes. I don't think it's broken. Got the radiator hose here. Oh man, still got to figure out where these two go. I know this goes onto the intake. Bunch of random connectors. I just got to figure out where they go. I mean, we got that goes there. I think I pretty much have most of it plugged in, ready. Those go into the intake. I don't know if I want to bolt that on yet because I got to figure out where these go. I mean, guys, I'm almost there. Let's get my light over here. I want to see what parts we have left in the back of the truck. Okay, we got headlight. Oh, let's buzz on over here. Oh, we got one radiator hose. Set that up there. It's not gonna hurt nothing. That goes in there. No plugs on this. It's the bottom of the air box. Goes on my coils. They're a little. Oh, found out where that blade connector goes, or one of them, anyways. That must be mass airflow or MAF airflow. Shit. I have one more idler to put on. Not sure where that one goes. There's the one radiator hose. The other part of the air box. This goes on top of the valve cover, which we can't put on until we have all the stuff. Alright, so we're going to take this. Well, we can leave that. So I'm going to take this for now. Figure out where this goes. Huh. Guys, I don't think this goes to my truck. Well, it says GM on it. Where the hell would it bolt up? I'll be right back. I gotta figure out where this bolts on. Well, everyone, it's 4 o'clock. Time for me to head home. So tonight, figured out starter wire. This ground bolts here. Got the alternator. I gotta figure out where that clip goes. We got the starter bolted in. All the sensors are in. All bell housing bolts are in. I redid my motor mount bolts because something wasn't happy. That's good. Alternator on. AC compressor on. God, I hope that thing still works. Power steering, exhaust. I do not have it connected to the rest of the exhaust. A couple more little things here and there to put that bracket back on. I took this bolt out. Now I can't find it. So, anyways, that's the video. We're going to be back next weekend. Finish all this up. I doubt we'll get a start next weekend, but we're close. We're close, guys. The more and more I'm draping things, the more and more it's all coming back to me. So, we're on a roll. Catch you guys later.